everyone, welcome back. So in this video, this is the first question. So I'm gonna write it on the screen here. So if you want to answer the question too, so let's read it. I have my phone right here. So, do you remember your first makeup item was? I guess it was like an eyeliner or kohl. Just apply it in my lower like lash line. I used to do like inside my eye, just that. I was just in high school, so this was my first item, like makeup item I ever used. It was black. It was so soft and so nice. I can't remember the brand. It was a really like old brand, but it was so dark and so black, and it stays all day. So I really loved it. I used to do it in high school. So yeah, this is my first makeup item ever. So this is the first question. So let's go to the next one. So I'm gonna see you tomorrow. Bye.